Hey everyone, it's Alexa, and today we're going to do something spooky and fun. Have you seen the price of the Beetlejuice baby doll? It's insane. Not only that, but it's sold out everywhere. Can you imagine having a Beetlejuice baby replica without breaking the bank? Well, it's possible. And I'm going to show you how. First, we're going to strip our doll of its old life. Bye-bye old identity. I customized the fabric to fit my doll perfectly, but if you don't want to measure and cut, I've got you covered. In the description, you'll find a link to the template you can download. I made it using Studio, my go-to tool for creating patterns. It's so user-friendly and has a ton of resources. With Studio, your DIY projects will be a breeze. Discover how to bring your most creative ideas to life. I've left the link in the description for you to try it out too. Now, let's give our creation a little color. What color should we make the Beetlejuice baby? That's right, black and white. But not just any black and white, the spookiest black and white from the underworld. Who else is a Beetlejuice fan? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever wondered what a Beetlejuice rubber duck would look like? I'm going to decorate our little Beetlejuice's ducky to make it worthy of a horror movie. This doll is so pale. It looks like it spent its whole life watching Tim Burton movies. And here it is, the final result. Isn't it spooky and delightful? Your very own Beetlejuice baby is ready to haunt your dreams. If you're loving this creepy creation, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share the spooky love with your friends. And remember, a little birdie told me that saying Beetlejuice 3 times might just work. But don't blame me if things get a little weird. Thanks for watching, and stay spooky.